In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Turkish companies express interest in producing electrical equipment in Afghanistan. The Minister of Education announces 1,060 vacant positions to help reduce unemployment in the country. And Russia ready to transfer and store Iran's enriched uranium. Welcome to our news package. It's Sunday, the 23rd of Zulqa'dah Haram 1447, the 20th of Sawr 1405, and the 10th of May 2026. The news details. Afghanistan British Company has announced that Mullah Abdul Haq Hamkar, the chief executive officer of the company, met with the representative of two Turkish firms specializing in production of electrical equipment. Based on a statement released by Brishna, the Turkish companies expressed preparation to invest in production of turbines, transformers, and smart meters in Afghanistan. The company stated that based on the directive of Mullah Abdul Haq Hamkar, a joint meeting will be held between the two sides to assess the country's needs and discuss the framework for the investment. Mullah Hamkar also welcomed the interest of Turkish companies in investing in Afghanistan and assured them that Brishna would provide the necessary facilities and support for investment in the power generation and electrical equipment sector. Maulavi Muhammad Zahid Ahmad Zaid, the Deputy Minister of Labor and Social Affairs, stated during a press conference regarding the announcement of 1,060 vacant positions by the Minister of Education that the Islamic Emirate is working to reduce unemployment rate across the country. He added that based on the commitment made during the Labor Conference, 1,465,000 eligible individuals will be provided with unemployment opportunities. In accordance with Mr. Ahmad Zaid, under the directive of Amir al-Mu'minin, priority in employment opportunities will be given to the skilled returnees. The news continuation. Mullah Hamdullah Fitrat, the deputy spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, stated yesterday, Saturday the 19th of Sawr, that 1,185 residential land plots were distributed to returning migrants in the provinces of Nangarhar, Laghman, Zabul, Farah, Sarapur, and Kunduz. According to Mullah Fitrat, a total of 20,097 residential plots have so far been distributed to returning refugees across the country. And ultimately, Vladimir Putin has stated that Moscow is prepared to transfer and store Iran's enriched uranium in Russia. Speaking at the press conference in Moscow, Putin stated that Russia had previously transferred enriched uranium from Iran in 2015 and is now ready to repeat the experience. Based on the statement made by Putin, Iran opposes the transfer because the United States seeks to move the enriched uranium to the American territory. The Russian president further stated that Moscow remains in contact with both Tehran and Washington and expressed the hope that the war would come to an end ASAP. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.